Today, you've equipped yourself with the building blocks necessary for success in AI, guiding you toward creating impactful solutions. The knowledge you've acquired is applicable to a wide array of challenges, encouraging you to think critically and innovate. As you embrace this exciting chapter of exploration, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Our community is filled with like-minded individuals ready to collaborate and inspire. Your learning journey sets the stage for future creations that could transform industries or improve lives, making this a truly significant pursuit. As you venture further into this field, remember that the journey of learning is just as important as the destination. Each challenge you face will teach you valuable lessons, refining your skills and enhancing your ability to innovate. Don't shy away from the complexities that may arise, instead, view them as opportunities for growth. Whether you're developing new algorithms or applying AI to solve everyday problems, the potential for discovery lies at every turn. As you take these first steps into the world of artificial intelligence, remember that the skills you've developed today will serve as your compass. Each project you undertake will not only build on your expertise but also deepen your understanding of AI's transformative power. The world is brimming with data waiting to be explored, and your curiosity and creativity will guide your journey forward. Through exploration and experimentation, you can contribute to solutions that address real-world challenges, enriching the lives of others and enhancing your own knowledge. Embrace every hurdle as a learning opportunity, and let your passion for technology lead you to new, uncharted territories in AI. As you continue on this journey, embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner, for the world of AI is constantly expanding and evolving. Each time you experiment or collaborate, you are not only honing your skills but also playing a part in a larger movement toward innovation. Remember, the tools and techniques you've gained today are merely the first steps toward a multitude of possibilities awaiting your input. The best way to grow is to stay engaged, seek new challenges, and remain open to the extraordinary journey ahead. Keep your enthusiasm high, there's so much potential within you waiting to be unleashed. As you reflect on today's experience, take a moment to appreciate the journey you've embarked upon. This is not just about learning algorithms or processes, it's about cultivating a mindset that thrives on curiosity and creativity. It's about using technology to solve real-world problems and making a positive impact within your community. Keep that spirit alive as you delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, and let each new challenge inspire you to innovate and explore new horizons. Remember, every step you take is a stepping stone toward mastering this powerful field. As your journey into AI continues, consider exploring real-world applications that align with your passions and interests. Whether it's improving healthcare, enhancing education, or innovating in entertainment, the versatility of AI opens countless avenues for impactful projects. Engage with the community and share your ideas. Collaboration can lead to breakthroughs that push the boundaries of what's possible. Each effort you make contributes not just to your personal development but also to the broader landscape of technology. Embrace the challenges ahead, they're opportunities to refine your expertise and create meaningful solutions. Your curiosity and creativity are your greatest assets in this dynamic field. As you stand at this exciting crossroads, remember that every exceptional achievement begins with a simple idea transformed through hard work and perseverance. Engage in discussions, share your insights, and connect with fellow enthusiasts to foster a spirit of collaboration in this expansive field. Recognize that the projects you undertake can inspire others, just as you have been inspired today, creating a ripple effect of innovation. With creativity as your guiding star, the journey ahead is rich with potential, waiting for you to explore, create, and innovate without boundaries. As you reflect on what you've accomplished, remember that each project is a stepping stone, rich with lessons and insights that contribute to your overall growth. Celebrate your progress, and let it fuel your desire to dive deeper into the possibilities that AI presents. Whether your focus shifts to complex algorithms or intuitive interfaces, maintain your commitment to learning and exploration, as they are the keys to unlocking your future success. You have the tools, creativity, and community support to achieve extraordinary things, so go forth with confidence and boldness. Today, you've embarked on a transformative journey that combines curiosity, creativity, and technology. With newfound skills in AI, remember to seize every opportunity that comes your way, as this adventure has just begun. Each of your projects can not only foster personal growth but also contribute meaningfully to the community around you. Embrace the challenges and allow your passion for innovation to guide your next steps, knowing that the future holds incredible potential. Always keep pushing the boundaries of what you can create, and I look forward to celebrating your achievements in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. As you navigate through this enriched realm of artificial intelligence, remember that your journey is a continuous loop of learning and growth. Stay committed to experimenting with new ideas and approaches, as they will deepen your understanding and expand your skill set. Keep pushing forward, and let your passion propel you into uncharted territories. The discoveries you make today will pave the way for the breakthroughs of tomorrow, and I can't wait to see how you will elevate the field in ways we can only imagine. Continue to embrace challenges with an open mind, and together, we will shape the future of AI, one innovative project at a time. As you wrap up your initial foray into artificial intelligence, remind yourself that the real adventure lies in what's to come. Take a moment to reflect on the valuable skills you've gained and imagine the myriad of possibilities they will unlock. Always stay curious and passionate, and keep exploring the limitless potential of AI, for this is merely the beginning of a thrilling journey filled with innovation and discovery. Your adventure in the world of artificial intelligence has just begun, and the horizon is filled with endless opportunities awaiting your unique contributions. Embrace the journey ahead with enthusiasm and determination, knowing that the skills you've developed today will empower you to make a meaningful impact.